Well, 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 look what the cat drug in. I'm back. So, and y'all came on a good day because we're going to be doing two different quick meals. One is King Ranch chicken. That's a Texas staple. The quick and easy shortcut way. And then the other is going to be what I call my Rubenstein. Which if you like a Reuben sandwich, you're going to love this. It's a Reuben casserole and you're going to love it. Right now, I've already started by sweating out some garlic, some onions, and some poblano peppers. You can use bell pepper if you like bell pepper. And to that, and I've already boiled and cooked up 3 chicken breasts. Now I'm going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to keep this chicken from burning. Set it over here. I got all kinds of stuff going on today. You just wouldn't believe what has happened to me since we last met. It has been a whirlwind. Had some issues with my heart again. Got suspended for making a corn casserole at Thanksgiving. Haven't been able to get back on. I know. I didn't do it naked. I don't know what I did, but somebody got offended by corn casserole at Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving side dishes. Maybe it's Thanksgiving that's upset them. If I offend you, please hit the unsubscribe button. And this is all done. I'm doing all this in an electric skillet. Hang on. Alright, never mind. Never mind. I noticed there was no light on, so I didn't know if y'all could see me, but apparently you can. So, cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken soup. Don't leave nothing behind. And I've got a can of Mexican-style tomatoes. Now, if you want to use Rotel, use Rotel. If you want to use just plain old diced tomatoes, use plain old diced tomatoes. That's why we're called Common Sense Cooking. And to be fair and honest, I just finished doing a beef and broccoli stir fry that takes like 15 minutes from start to finish. And that, I was actually talking to myself as I was doing it like I was doing a video, and it's like, Lynn, why don't you do a video? So, and OT445, it bugs me all the time about need new stuff. So here you go, you get new stuff. This is going to be a quick meal. This don't take no time at all. So what we're going to do is, and I'm on the number 2 setting. I'm not on the high setting yet. I was, but I'm not. So we're just mixing all this together. This is your sauce for your chicken. All right? It's going to be your sauce. We want to bring all those flavors up together. Remember, we've talked about this in other videos. If you're new here, go back and watch them. Flavors don't dump. You don't dump everything in at the first go round. You got to give it time. Now I'm going to add some cumin and some black pepper. I got so much stuff going on, I don't know. I got potatoes over there, I got black beans there, I got a chicken boiling there. I done made 2 loaves of banana bread, crispy beef, and broccoli stir fry, and Chinese rice. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this, and the reason is you're going to add tortilla chips, which are salted, and you're going to add cheese, which is salted. So unless you're a saltaholic, or you're looking to have a heart attack, don't add salt. If you want to have a heart attack, or if you just love salt, I got a son that just loves salt. He really does. He loves salt. Then feel free to add salt to it. All right. So now we're back up on medium. And this is 3 chicken breasts that I just boiled up. You can use already bought shredded chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken. You know, go to the deli, grab a rotisserie chicken, and just shred it up into it. Anything that makes it fast. Fast. We like fast. And I think I've done King Ranch before, but I'm going to do it again. So there you go, because that's what I'm doing today. But that's okay, because after this one, I'm going to do another video right after this one. That's going to be a Reuben sandwich. It's going to be pastrami and Swiss cheese and sauerkraut. And it's a layered casserole, but the layers are toasted rye bread. So, there you go. That's what we do here. That's what we do. So you really, if you like Reubens, you're going to love that. Okay, so now we're going to just let that sit a minute, let that chicken cook in. I'll clean up a little bit, get that ucky away. Get the ucky. I know. Now on top of everything else, if you're a fan of The Walking Dead on HBO, whenever you watch it, please note that right outside this window right here is where they film the part of The Walking Dead is filmed right here in Dale. And that's what they're doing right now, which is, for y'all, that's really cool. I know you love zombies and stuff like that, but that's okay for you. But for us, it's a big old pain in the butt because we can't get in and out of town very easy. They block off the roads. There's only 2 ways in and out of our little town. So now I'm going to take some tortilla chips. You don't want to crush them up. You don't want crushed tortilla chips. You want the big ones. Now you could use flour tortillas if you wanted to. You could use corn tortillas if you wanted to. I prefer to use the chips because I think the chips are much better. And yes, I lick my finger. It's my kitchen. I can do what I want to. And don't lie to me and tell me you don't do that in your house. Shame on you. Trying to make me look bad. We'll mix those in. Try not to break them up too much. Try not to break them up too much. Now, how long have we been together? About 5-10 minutes? We got a done dinner in 10 minutes. Done dinner. From start to finish. Add some cheese to it, and then we're going to call it done. We'll stick a fork in it, it's done. No such thing as too much cheese either, people. Don't be so stingy. There you have it. King Ranch casserole. Now on the stove, I've got beans cooking. Black beans. Because people love my black beans. They think my black beans are the best thing since, you know, Carter's Little Pills. I may go out, I think I'm going to go out to the garden and grab me some cilantro and throw on top of this. Cilantro, parsley, chives, those aromatics like that, always go on at the end. After it's shut off, after it's done cooking. Alright? Or else you lose the green and you lose the flavor. Otherwise, you know, you're just wasting time. Y'all want to see how to make black beans while we're here before I let you go? Alright, come on. Ah! Field trip! Ah! Ah! Can you see that now? There you go. Okay, so, black beans. Super easy black beans. Okay, I'm here. Don't worry about it. I didn't run off. I thought about it, but I came back. Let's get rid of that. That's Chinese. We're done with Chinese food. We don't need no more of that. So, I've got 2 cans of black beans. Plain old canned beans. Now, I do make homemade black beans in the crock pot overnight. And I tell you, it's cheaper to do your beans and your peas. Buy the dried beans and peas. Put them in the crock pot with the water in the ham bone or bacon or whatever you're going to do. Do that. And put them on low. And start them on high. And then put them on low and let them cook all night. And in the morning, you got perfect beans. You don't got to stand over a stove. You don't got to do all that rinsing and stuff like that. Anyway, this is 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. That's all it is. And then I'm going to add to it some garlic powder. I used fresh minced garlic over there from the garden, but here I'm going to use garlic powder. This is why I have to put my glasses on, because I'll just add anything in the whole world in there. Well, I lied to you. I'm not going to do that. Oh, yeah, I am. Somehow I got down there. Add some garlic powder. And we're going to add some more cumin, because I love cumin. I think cumin's a good flavoring. You know what cumin is? Cumin is dried ground cilantro. If you ever cooking Chinese food and it asks for coriander, coriander is the seed from the cilantro plant. So, there you go. You didn't know you was going to learn something today. Oh, would you get a spoon? Got a spoon there. Lord have mercy. We're going to bring this up. These are potatoes. These are out of the garden. These are potatoes. New potatoes. Red News. I love them. I love them. And you take a pot of boiling water, throw them in there, and then shut the water off. And they'll be just perfect buttery potatoes like you had never had before. This is a chicken cooking. That's where the steam's coming from. Just saying. And as soon as these come to a boil, they're done. I did have 1 can, but didn't look like enough, so I made 2 cans. So that's it. We had quick and easy king. Scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. Quick and easy King Ranch chicken, 3 chicken breasts, or rotisserie chicken, or shredded, already cooked chicken. I did about half an onion, chopped up, half a poblano pepper. You could use bell pepper. I don't like bell pepper. They don't have any flavor to them. They're just green. And a blop of fresh minced garlic. You get those going in butter. Saute those, sweat them out till they turn clear. Then you add a can of cream of mushroom soup, a can of cream of chicken soup, and a can of diced tomatoes. I use the Mexican style diced tomatoes. They're different from Rotel. They're much better than Rotel. Or you can use Rotel, or you can use plain. It doesn't matter. Common sense, what you got. Cover the whole top with tortilla chips, whole, don't crunch them up too much. And then cheese. And let the cheese melt, you're done. Start to finish, if you're using you have to use already cooked chicken. So either you cook it yourself or you buy one. And the whole thing, start to finish, 10 minutes. So, welcome back to Down Homely, and if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe and share button. Tell everybody else about us. And I hope you come back in a few minutes so we can do our Rubenstein. Be blessed.